You don't have to think about saving, or backing up, or which device you're on. Google Keep is your centralized hub for swiftly capturing, organizing, and managing all digital content with ease and efficiency.
Google Keep efficiently manages and organizes all data coming into your digital world from a single starting point. With its user-friendly interface and powerful features, Google Keep is the perfect tool for anyone who wants to stay on top of their digital life. It is the fastest and easiest way to capture ideas, information, and images. It is the staging area for information and ideas before you decide where to put them.